Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an eye look. I'm just going to focus on the eyes today because I've already got the rest of my face done. So I'm going to be using the Born to Run palette, and I might dip into the Subculture palette. I love this palette for really bold looks. Using the Born to Run palette, I'm going to start off with Still Shot. Next I'm going into Hell Ride, right there. Super pigmented, so I'm being very light-handed. Just gonna stamp. And then we're gonna blend. Okay, so now that I've spent the entire afternoon blending the eyeshadows, I'm gonna go into the glitter. I'm gonna go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade Wanderlust. So now we're gonna deepen the creasage. I'm gonna take Hell Ride again, that's that last color I used, and I'm just gonna stamp it right on the outside. Just to help blend that. I'm gonna go back in with more glitter just because I lose some of it. Not just stops. It doesn't just stop, you know? A little bit everywhere. Create an ombre, essentially. So I'm gonna put another inner corner highlight just because I'm not really a fan of this one for this look. So I'm gonna go in with Blaze. And then I'm gonna go into the Subculture palette because the Subculture has this pink golden color that would be perfect for this. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that on there. Yeah, that's the one. And this is Cube. It's a color that mystifies me. It's a mystifying color. I'm actually putting a little bit on my brow bone. So next I'm gonna line my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Glide On Lip Eye Pencil in the shade Alkaline. It looks like this. It looks perfect with my lips, perfect with my eyes. So the last thing I'm gonna do is go into the Subculture palette just because I want to deepen the look a little teeny tiny bit more. So I'm gonna take All Star, and I might take Rowdy as well, but we're gonna start with All Star and deepen the outer corner. So first what I'm gonna do is, because I didn't do it, is do my lower lash line. That dark color. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a darkness at the outer corners. I actually put a little bit of Rowdy from the Subculture palette. It's a very dark purple. Okay, so I'm gonna try one more time to put these lashes on, otherwise I will kill myself because I am absolutely tired of trying to put this on. It is extremely difficult. So I finally got my lashes on, guys. It was a fucking struggle. Putting on lashes is the hardest thing for me to do. It is so painful. Anyway, you've reached the end of this video, so kudos to you. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you liked it if you made it this far. If you did, hit the thumbs up because I like thumbs. Thumbs are important. They are good for massages. So keep that in mind next time you look at your thumbs. You know that you are the best masseuse in the animal kingdom. Extremely random. Don't know why I said that, but anyway, hit the subscribe button. It's down there. It's red. You can't miss it. Turn your post notifications on so that you get notified when I upload. Peace out, Girl Scout.